broken. Hi guys, welcome back to part 2. The reason why I know that because my camera has just cut itself down. So welcome back to the second part. As I was just saying in my first video, I said I was going to throw this last piece of the broken vest that's covered in mould. So anyway, here it goes. Whoa, look at that, it's coming towards to you. But let's see what it's like on fast. Okay, this is going to be my last one, and then I'm going to go, because it's kind of way past my bedtime. So, let's do this fun bit again. Ready. Oh. It's doing it. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. So that is my demonstration of this salad spinner that's turned into a little mini washing machine. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you found this video very funny, which I have, you can like and subscribe. And yeah, if I'm not doing, if I can't figure out what video to do, I did say, I did say this afternoon. I did say today that I was just going to do in another video. I said that I was going to do an instructions on what you can do, what you can and can't do with your Hoover, what it says in the instructions. So, thanks for watching, guys, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye, guys.